I use Notion every day to plan long and productive days. Notion helps me stay organized and on track with my goals and makes sure that I'm moving in a positive direction. Today, I'm going to walk you through my daily planner and how I get the most out of Notion. Using a planner and scheduling my days in advance helps me make sure that I know exactly what's on my agenda for each day and how I can accomplish everything effectively. As you can see on my daily dashboard, I have an area right here for my daily log. I automatically get a fresh, blank log each day to plan my day. The first thing I do each morning is I write 5 lines on how I'm feeling. They can be any 5 lines I want to write that day. Steve Jobs said every morning he would look himself in the mirror and ask, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I'm about to do today? And whenever the answer has been no for too many days in a row, I know I need to change something. This little journal is my own way of monitoring whether I'm moving in a positive or negative direction. This is the first clue if I want to make change. After I write my journal, I like to set 3 priorities for the day. These are the 3 most important things I can get done today. Prioritizing also helps us manage our time more effectively, allowing us to be more productive and efficient in our work. In my eyes, if you can get 3 solid things done each day, you're going to be successful. The next part of my planner is a quick little checklist. These are some of the things I try and do in the morning. Look, I'm not a morning person. Sometimes I like having everything that I should do right in front of my face. This helps make sure that I start my day in the most productive way possible. This next section relates to those priorities that we set before. Studies show that you're 3 times more likely to get something done if you actually pick when and where it's going to get done. This is why I love time blocking. At the beginning of each morning, I come up with a plan to get all of my priorities done and work around any of the events that I have within my day. This helps me prepare as I'm able to plan exactly when the best time to get everything done within my day will be, and I'm not scrambling to make sure I have time for everything. Remember, this whole log is to help us plan our day ahead of time. That is why under the time blocking area, I have a section where I can plan my workout for the day and my lunch. If I plan to get a specific workout in, I'm way more likely to do it. Along with this, planning what I'll have for lunch helps me not only stay healthy and stay on track of my goals, but I also kind of know how much time it's going to take ahead of time so I can plan that within my day. This is the daily planner that I created and continue to evolve as I learn more. Make sure you get this free template down in the description below. Leave a like if you'd like to see the rest of my daily dashboard. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.